Hello and welcome, guys. And in this module, we are going to make our customer experience way much better, so that customers coming to the website would also, or logging to your store would also have a customer dashboard. So for that, basically there is no code actually. We'll have to use some of the apps. So basically, I've created a list of the apps which we should be using, and here I'll also include the links of these apps which you should be using. For now, I'll just use this PWC customer accounts app, which is this one, and I can simply install it in the store. So I'll just click on install, and with that I'll be able to install it in our store. And then once this is installed, keep this like this, and yeah, I'll enable this. And depending upon what you need, you should be selecting the right plan. I guess I'm on the free plan, but because this is a development store. But yeah, you can definitely click on enable, and then enable PWC scripts over here. I'll just show you how to set this up to make the customer experience way much better. All right, so we have to enable this and then save it. And yeah, we should also be giving wishlist feature. Well, the good thing about this particular app is this provides professional layout for account page, login page, sign up page, and also it gives us an inbuilt wishlist feature, which is what anyone would want. All right, so that's why I'm using this app. So I'll use this layout. I personally like this layout and this one, and select appropriate things. So yeah, we can also show the notification over here. And it also gives us an option to allow returns and track order. We can add a tracking order URL for our customers, so that it is a different URL. All right, so return period would be 30 days as per our requirement. And as I'm using Judge Me, I can select this and then select Judge Me reviews and save the settings. And yeah, this is done for me. I'm gonna go with the login page now and select appropriate layout. It gives us 4 layouts. I can customize and use any one of these. I'll use the second one because I like this. And then I'll go with the sign up page. Yeah, I'll go with the sign up page and select the second layout to keep things uniform. And then I'll go to wishlist and enable wishlist. And then they have given us an option for selecting different wishlist icons. I personally like this this heart icon, or the like icon, and there are different icons. So for now, I'll just use the star icon just to show it to you. All right, and yeah, we can choose different colors and wishlist per page, the icon color, and we can customize the icon to our requirement. And then finally we'll save settings, and then we'll go to settings. And in settings, if we want different things, so I just want some border radius on our container, on the container which is being provided. So I'll put some border radius as 8 and 8 to keep things uniform. Like I can make it 12 and 8 to keep things uniform, and also make it 24 or 24. Yeah, 24 is okay for me. And I can just use the 1300 width, which matches my overall requirements. And then I can save. There are different border styles which we can use in here. And yeah, this should all be set up. Now in order to customize it over here, we'll have to go to legacy customer account, and then customer account. I guess it should ask for login. Now in the login, I can use the login template which is being provided by them, and I can hide this login template from over here. And yeah, I can select a background image if I want a background image. For example, I'll just use a background image which matches somewhat our theme. So possibly I'll use, yeah, this one is okay, this one is cool. I'll use the same one. And yeah, we are provided with the login. Yeah, this is good. And this is the login template. We can definitely customize the form background and other stuff, but that's up to us. And yeah, we can also show our logo in here, but yeah, that's up to us. So that customizes our login page. And then let's go to our register page, which is this one. And we have our register page layout available, and we can use the same layout. And yeah, this is all good. We can position our content to be left, right, center. So I'll just use left for now. And image position, we can make it right or left depending upon our requirement. So yeah, this is a very good app, I would suggest. And yeah, then once this is done, I'll go ahead and go to the accounts page. I'll log in over here. So Rahul, yeah, and remember me, and then log in. And yeah, we see this page. This is the default page. Now we can choose our other page, and you'll see the difference. Wow, this amazingly looks way much good and perfect. And we can select the invoice logo. And yeah, this is looking good, because we want to make sure that customer experience is good. And they are also providing us with a lot of other options to change, upsell some collections. If we want to upsell any collection, we can upsell any collection. And yeah, we are given with the option for a top banner if required, but I don't need it right now. Now if I want to see it, I'll see a very professional looking page for our customer. And yeah, we have a profile page, and then we have address, our orders, which is again looking professional. And yeah, we can write a review, because I selected the judge me, and it goes to the judge me. I guess this over here. Yeah, perfect. Whatever is required is it's all good. And I guess we'll have to set up the wish list. Let's see how we can set it up. We have to for wish list, we can add a wish list option in our products. Let's go to the products and add a wish list option to our products, so that people, person can wish list the products. We can add it over here, and wishlist icon. And then let's see what's the wishlist icon. We have this add to wishlist icon, which is a star which I selected. And we can position it anywhere, so wherever we want. And we can just simply add it to our, so yeah, I just want to include it over here. Yeah, add to wishlist. And yeah, with that, it should have an add to wish list button over here. And yeah, I'll just go to our other products, the ones which we have, for example this one. And I'll add this to wish list, and let's see if this is available in the wish list over here. So yeah, this is available in the wish list. And yeah, this thing is looking good. What is this hot deals? Well, the hot deals is, I guess, this page. we can remove this hot deals for now. I don't think so I need it right now, so I don't need the hot deals tab. And yeah, I'll just remove it for now. And yeah, this is all good. So yeah, we have this, our products, and trending products. Wow, this looks way more good. And I guess they are still improving this. We can edit profile, and they have the option to select the gender, and the dashboard looks pretty much awesome, I believe. Yeah, so this is a must try app. You can try this, and there are different other apps we should be using. So let's check other apps like Klaviyo. We can install Klaviyo. So this is also a very good marketing app. Well, for Klaviyo marketing, you can just try the Klaviyo thing. Judge Me, I've already installed. It also gives us an option for photo testimonial. And we have another app called Reconvert, which is for post purchase upsell. And there are other apps like Lucky Orange, which keeps a track of analytics. And yeah, there are other apps like Bold Upsell, so you can try those apps as well. So this is what I feel would have been necessary to give a good looking professional page to the customers, because customers are the one who would be buying it. And if we have different options given to the customers, they would be loving to buy this, or they would love to buy from your website. So with that, I guess most of the things are covered. We installed proper apps which are required. We have customized our home page. We have customized our cart page. We have customized our checkout page, and the product page and collection page. Now is the final thing. We need to set it up to ensure that it's ready to sell. So these are some final fixes which I'll cover in the next module. And with that, the whole module series would be complete. And yeah, I would be looking like if you have any issues, you can simply write in comment below, or you can just directly contact me. And yeah, and I'll see you in next module. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.